This is the newly released Taipan Slash. It's sub 12 foot-pound for the UK market and features a 12-shot magazine that's semi-automatic. This is the safety. And removing the mag is as simple as that. This is one of the chunkiest mags I've ever seen. To load it, just drop your pellets in and use this nifty little tool that they supply. Place it on top of the pellets and push. This seats them in nicely and gives you consistent shots. It has a backup cocking lever and a carbon bottle. You get 60 to 90 shots per fill depending on the calibre. Like the video and subscribe to see the next one.